warm good afternoon to all. I am Dr. Gaurav Singh, Technical Expert, MP State Biodiversity Board Bhopal. I am presenting a poster on topic biodiversity and climate change. Biodiversity is the variation of life at all level of biological organization, and in present time it is distracted by various human activity resulting in climate change. Today climate change is one of the greatest threat to biodiversity, and therefore this study focus on biodiversity and climate change. Further, the impact of climate change on biodiversity were also discussed through this poster. India, a mega diverse country with only 2.5 of the world total land area, harbors 7 to 8% of all recorded species, comprising of 45,000 species of plant and around 97,000 species of animal. The biodiversity experience a variety of threats like overexploitation of natural resources, land use change in natural habitat, proliferation of invasive species, and climate change. First, we have to know about what is biodiversity. The simplest definition of biodiversity is the variation of life at all level of biological organization. There are various type of biodiversity like floral biodiversity, faunal biodiversity, agrobiodiversity, horticulture biodiversity, and such on, including aquatic biodiversity as well. Biodiversity profile of India, as per the poster I have shown as per the latest data. And what is the role of biodiversity? There are several role of biodiversity in different sectors like food, human health, industry, culture, science. There is biodiversity loss has consequences and cause. As shown in this figure, you can see there are how biodiversity loss has causes and consequences. What is climate change? Climate change is one of the greatest threat to biodiversity. It refers to any change in climate over time, whether due to natural variability or as the result of human activity. Greenhouse effect, one of the major cause of climate change. There are several other causes as well: deforestation, coal mining, burning of fossil fuel, agricultural, volcanic eruption, and so on. Consequences of climate change. It have several factors like it increase the sea level, ecosystem are changing, interruption, seasonal cycle, ocean acidification, rain shift, disease and pest, melting sea ice. There are climate change solution, less use of fossil fuel, we have to stop cutting of tree, we have to save the energy. Biodiversity to reduce the impact of climate change, maintain the restoring native ecosystem, protecting and enhancing ecosystem service, managing habitat for endangered species. Climate change and biodiversity related conventions, CBD, UNI-FCCC, UNI-CCD, etc. In my conclusion, I would like we are aware of the fact that biodiversity is continuously being depleted due to the various reasons. Today, climate change along with other human pressure is stressing biodiversity beyond the level imposed by the global climatic change in the recent evolutionary past. Our experience with coronavirus illustrated that we are not separated from the world around us. We must need to work together to protect our ecosystem and planet, which influence every aspect of human life. At last, I would acknowledge MP State Biodiversity Board and IISF. Thank you.